Imagine someone gave you thousands of dollars to trade with, which you can use very comfortably to trade the markets, and even though the capital is not yours, you get to keep more than 65% of the profits that are being made. Now this is exactly what happens with prop firms. But what are really prop firms? Now let's use, for example, you got to know about trading and you spend time learning everything you need to know, and when you're finally done learning, which you're now obviously ready to trade the markets, you have just $50. Now you might say $50 is not that bad, but imagine all your living expenses on a $50 trading account. I'm talking from paying for food, light bill, water bill, gas, shelter, yes, phone bill, and more other expenses realistically cannot be coming from a $50 trading account. And this is exactly where prop firms step in. Now let's say I'm a prop firm. Now in general, prop firm has huge amount of capital that they are willing to invest in good traders. Now you notice how I said good traders, because these prop firms are going to test your ability with different challenges. And luckily I've partnered with a really good prop firm funded trader market. Now you know how I said prop firms are there to actually give traders more funding? That's exactly what funded trader markets do. Now if you actually go into the prop firm website right here, you can see how clean everything is. The way we are going to be going through everything is we are going to be looking at how much funded trader markets can actually give us in funding, also what are the prop firm rules and whether it can actually assist growth as a trader, the trading conditions, that is what software are we going to be trading on, the payout process, and a whole lot more. I'm also going to be getting a funded account that I will trade to get funded. So how much extra funding can we get with FTM? You can see that they have a $5,000 account, $10,000 in funding, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, $200,000, and even up to $800,000. Now let's put it like this: you finish learning and you still have that $50 that you were imagining to trade with. Now again, if you trade with a $50 account, you'll be making a profit of about $10, $5, $2. But what about if you use that same $50 to actually get a prop firm trading account with funded trader markets? Now with a budget of $50, what account size can we get? Now if you look through all of this right here, the account size that actually fits our budget right here is the 10K account, which is $52, which really fits our budget. We could get a $10,000 trading account, which is way more better than for us to trade a $50 trading account. Now this price really depends on the evaluation phase you choose. Like on the one step Nitro, it's $52, then on the Nitro Pro is actually $19. Now one has an advantage over the other, but it's great to see that you can still get funded despite the budget. It doesn't just end there. On the two-step evaluation, which just simply means you have to pass 2 challenges to get funded, you can get it for $60 for 2-step speed and $65 for 2-step standard. And if you say you don't want any of those challenges, whether be it 1-step or 2-step, and you just want to directly get funded instantly, there's the instant funding where you don't get to go through any challenge whatsoever and you're already a funded trader. Now this account goes for $99 and the pro version goes for $79. Now not because I was mentioning 10K funded account a lot that you should only get a 10K funded account, right? Now one thing FTM or funded trader markets are there for is to give you like a significant upgrade from what you normally trade in your normal trading accounts. So you're going to be having access to 10 times the capital that you normally trade. Now one other extra thing about FTM is that they give on-demand payout. So this means if I make profit right now and I want to withdraw funds instantly, I can do that on FTM. Now also you can even get up to 100% profit splits depending on the evaluation phase you choose. Now as for me, I've already gotten a 50K 2-step evaluation funded account, which I'm currently trading, and I'm going to be sharing everything on this channel on how I traded the phase 1, phase 2, and getting a payout. Now to go ahead and join me, you can click the link in the description of this video, select one of the accounts that you can get, and let's run it up.